All you'll need is a ratchet with a T40 Torx bit, a Phillips screwdriver and something long and solid like an extension bar or a block of wood. Before any repairs, always unplug and disconnect your appliance from the mains. We need to gain access to the rear of the washing machine. Remove the screws holding the rear panel in place. On this Hotpoint model, there are 6 screws to remove. The rear panel can then be removed and placed to one side. To remove the washing machine belt, simply pull the belt towards you while slowly spinning the pulley. Now to remove the drum belt pulley bolt. This can be extremely tight. Use something long and solid like an extension bar or a block of wood to give you some leverage. Place it in one of the holes on the washing machine drum to stop the drum pulley spinning, and with your ratchet loosen the bolt. The bolt can then be removed from the drum pulley and placed to one side. Now remove the old drum belt pulley wheel as shown. You may need to pry it away if it's tight. Unpackage your new drum belt pulley wheel and attach it to the washing machine as shown, making sure it's on the same way around as before. Begin to screw the bolt in place by hand or with a screwdriver if your T40 bit attaches to it. Then insert the extension bar or whatever you have in its place inside one of the holes on your washing machine drum. Now with your ratchet and the T40 bit, tighten the drum pulley bolt. Give the drum belt pulley a spin to ensure it's going round correctly. To reinstall your belt, attach it to the motor spindle at the bottom with the ridge side facing up. Start off by attaching the belt to the pulley on the side where the motor spindle is. Here it's on the right hand side. Then begin to turn the pulley and feed the belt on. Give the new pulley a spin to make sure the belt is on correctly. Reattach your rear panel and re-screw all of the screws back in place. And that's it, your new washing machine drum belt pulley wheel is all set to go.